Greetings to Madam Madhyati and everyone else. I am Tansha, daughter of Ravi from Public Speaking and Communication Skills Group 7. I am here with my group members Aida Nurafika, Yuvita, Sangeeta and Tinesh Nair to present the summarized article which is about public speaking skill is essential in personal and professional lives. The content of our presentation are introduction, research problem, justification, research objective, methodology, result and data, analysis, discussion, conclusion, recommendation, references, and acknowledgement. Now I will let my team members to begin the presentation with the introduction part.
Introduction, individuals with strong public speaking skill have a better chance of advancing in their career. Individuals' career prospect can be improved by obtaining a high quality education and obtain employment opportunities. Public speaking abilities are thought to make a significant contribution to performing well in one's job duties and achieving desired goals and objectives. As a result, teachers, supervisor, and employer place a premium on honing these skills. Individuals may feel apprehensive and vulnerable when speaking in public in some cases. These emotions are regarded as a major impediment to carrying out various tasks and actions and achieving goals and objectives. As a result, it is critical to be well versed in a variety of methods, approaches, and strategies. In other words, if they are to speak in public, they must truly understand the concept. Individuals who are informative and acknowledgement will be able to perform well in their job duties. For the research problem, the first one is making an excuse or apologizing. It's difficult to know how much humor to use in speech, especially if you don't know your audience well. Of course, you don't want your presentation to be dry and boring, but you also don't want to come across as if you're attempting to be a stand-up comedian. A good rule of thumb is to be yourself, with a dash of humor thrown in for a good measure. Getting the audience is laugh, or at the very least smile. Early is on the excellent way to break the ice. However, run your jokes by some friend first to ensure they don't fall flat. The second one is making an excuse or apologizing. Perhaps you're running late and want to inform your audience, or perhaps you're just gotten off a long flight and want to explain why your performance may not be as strong as it could be. Making an excuse or apologizing in either cases set a negative tone and give people a reason to believe your presentation was underwhelming. Instead, accept any personal blunders and allow the audience to evaluate your performance independently. Following that, there will be a Q&A session, which is you'll probably heard a speaker and otherwise effective presentation with an abstract. That is, do you have any question? Just like a firework with a wet fuse, otherwise known as a dirt. Price says your grand final is your final opportunity to reinforce your key point, ensure message memorability, and motivate the audience to action. Avoid the habit of concluding with Q&A, which risks ending your presentation in a non-climatic technical topic. It is fine to invite audience comment and question. However, make sure to end on a high note. Thank you.
Justification of this research. In this research paper, purpose are understanding the meaning and significance of public speaking skills, areas where public speaking skills are put into operation, measures to bring about improvement in public speaking skills and argumentative public speaking skills contribute significantly in leading to enrichment of one's quality of life. From this paper, it helps people to understand the importance of public speaking and places to apply it. In this paper, there are 4 objectives. Number 1, understanding the meaning and significance of public speaking skill. Number 2, area where public speaking skills are put into action. In this paper, they explain there are 3 places: in their personal life, professional life, and in public. Number 3, argumentative public speaking skills contribute significance in leading to enrichment of one's quality of life. Number 4, measure to bring about improvement in public speaking skills. Thank you.
Okay, the next is methodology. The practical how of any piece of research is referred to as research technique. It's about how a researcher plans a study in a methodical way to produce accurate and reliable results that address the study's goals and objectives. One of them are case studies. Case considered makes a difference to make and thought of investigate and makes a difference within the establishment of the investigate. Analytic can either make the subject common or particular concurring to the writing service from the considers. The next is descriptive research. Descriptive research is a fact considered in descriptive methods and surveys and case studies are done to clarify the facts. These help to determine and explain with examples the facts and they are not rejected. The last one is qualitative research. This research helps to refer to the non-numerical elements in the research. When the information of the data cannot be grasped in terms of numbers, qualitative research comes for the rescue. True and reliable as much as qualitative research helps to form a better summary in terms of theories in the article. The next is result and data analysis. The measurement that was used to bring improvements in public speaking skills are as follows. Firstly is overcome apprehensive and vulnerability. The next is assess the needs and requirements of the audience. One needs to possess adequate knowledge and understanding regarding concepts, followed by develop communication skills and interactive abilities. Next is hone technical skills, upgrade critical thinking and problem solving skills, learn from feedback, and then develop positive viewpoints regarding one's job's duties, develop motivations towards the implementation of the job studies, followed by possess an approachable nature and an amiable attitude. The last one is argumenting public speaking skills contributes significantly in leading to enrichment of the quality of life. Sorry.
Okay, the next we go for the discussion. Public speaking is the act of speaking face to face to a live audience. It allows us to form connections, influence decisions, and motivate change. Without communication skill, the ability to process in the working world and in life itself would be nearly impossible. When the people are putting accentuation after sharpening public talking abilities, they will actually want to contribute essentially in doing great in their errands and exercises. Accomplishment of a wanted objective and destination and achieving enhancements in one general way of life. Go for the next one is a recommendation. As per the research, public speaking skills will be important to significant to people as far as further developing their professional possibilities, and they will perceive their importance. At the point when the people put into activity these abilities in a efficacious way, they will arise into useful individuals. Further exploration is precept to research the degree of uneasiness out in the open talking under studies and to give adequate outcomes and show the show that this trait is normal among people, especially among the college understudies.
The conclusion. Public speaking skills are the skills put into operation by the people to speak in public. From the stage of early childhood throughout the lives of the people, they have to put emphasis upon upgrading these skills. Expanding public speaking skills contributes fundamentally in prompting improvement of one's nature of lives. As a conclusion, it tends to be expressed when the people are putting emphasis after sharpening public speaking skills. They will actually want to contribute fundamentally in doing great in their assignment and exercises, accomplishment of wanted objective and targets, and achieving upgrades in one's general ways of life. Next is reference. Okay. We use the ResearchGate site to get the example of article for our presentation assignment. This is the link of the article we took for our presentation and references. Finally is acknowledgement. The wide range of disciplines involved in ResearchGate means that the editor did a great job in the article. I am really grateful for the article from the ResearchGate made by Dr. Radhika Kapoor from University of Delhi. We were filled with a great amount of information by the editor. We really appreciate the work of the editor and we are very thankful for her. That's all from us. Thank you.